And we have more news coming in at this point in time. Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra Ajit Pawar slams Sena vandalism. Pawar says can't reach law and order. Deputy CM warns against abusing free speech. Ajit Pawar says don't force cops to act.
एकनाथ शिंदेंवर त्याच्याबद्दल तुम्ही बघितलेलं आहे. खरं तर कायदा, संविधान, नियम याच्या बाहेर कुणीच त्या ठिकाणी जाऊ नये. तुम्हाला प्रत्येकाला, तुम्हाला, मला, सगळ्या आजूबाजूच्या जनतेला जेवढा अधिकार दिलेला आहे संविधानाने, त्या अधिकाराचा वापर करून वैचारिक वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या वक्तव्य प्रत्येकाचे असू शकतात, विचारधारा वेगवेगळी असू शकते, मतमतांतर असू शकतं, पण ते मांडताना आणि चर्चा त्याची होताना त्याच्यातनं नवीन प्रश्न निर्माण होऊन आमच्या पोलीस खात्याला पण वेगळं काही काम, कायदा सुव्यवस्था राखण्याचं निर्माण होणार नाही याची पण काळजी, खबरदारी ही प्रत्येक जबाबदार नागरिकांनी घेतली पाहिजे असं माझं मत आहे.
I'm going straight to Dipesh Tripathi for more on that. Dipesh, Ajit Pawar there essentially suggesting that this is about freedom of speech. These comments, interestingly, have been made by, against Eknath Shinde by Kunal Kamra. This obviously speaks volumes of how within the government, as if there is a difference in opinion on the kind of vandalism that has happened, isn't it?
Yes, political controversy started after the controversial remark which is considered a controversial by specifically the faction of comedian Kunal Kamra. And right now, Pratap Sarlai, the minister of the faction, has reached to the Khar police station, where in a while FIR which was lodged against Kunal Kamra in MIDC police station will be transferred to the Khar police station on the basis of a
zero FIR in a while. And definitely there have been various views of the politician as well. Kunal Kamra in his comedy said on Ajit Pawar, SNCP and Eknath Shinde as well, but he specifically targeted more Eknath Shinde, and he even sang a song in a parody manner. So definitely the Shiv Sainiks were more aggressive, and they vandalized the studio where this show took place. But while stating this incident, Ajit Pawar said that everybody has his view, but they should be responsible for expressing their views. And right now we have been seeing the different views of political parties, especially within the government. Sneha.